Welcome to Mati! Here, it's iconic sleeping dinosaur, guys. So we're almost there na sa Mati to meet the other team. So in a few minutes, let's go. And we're here now in Changi's. It's our first stop dito sa Mati City, and we're just going to take a quick lunch. Ooh, with the coffee. Next stop is dito kami sa City Hall of Mati for a courtesy call daw ng Mayor. Oh God, bigat.
Supreme Court again. Welcome to Mati. Make it Mati your next destination for your Sambuokan Festival coming October 29. We start on October 23, ending on November 1. Join the Halloween party as well. Thank you.
Okay, dito tayo guys, sir. Hindi pa ito yung fix na office, pero dito muna sila dito.
Hindi mamaya. Ganun tayo siya ka-choy-choy. Tanungin niyo siya kung ano ang mga balak.
Next destination, welcome to Minzi Beach Resort. So they're going to convert it to tourist information center na. It's currently sarado. Hindi nila pinapasukan dito. But since we're special guests, so we're going to take some pictures and videos dito. Let's go to the Hikan Beach. It's been a while. For Menzi. So we're going to San Ignacio, our next destination, and let's go. White Sand Beach Resort dito sa Manay. Umabot ako dito sa Manay, guys. Grabe yung waves. Wow. Sila. Thank you po.
Ay, ini ko ang tubig pa. Bani. Hindi na dito. Sarap ko. Kabongo. Opo, share ko ito. Sige po, alam na. Share ko ito.
It's raining. Inabot kami ng ulan dito sa beach. Basta silang lahat, guys. So we're going to Governor's house in a moment. Kahit ganito ang itsura namin, let's go. So we're here now sa Saragossa, Davao Oriental, sa bahay ni Governor. Ganda ang ating bahay ni guys, sa tabi ng dagat. And that's it. Hey, the Governor.
At kami kuan, bagyo.
Lahat ng ating mga kabayan
sa Sambuokan Festival. Marami mong tourist potential na pwede ninyong mapuntahan. Hindi lamang sa City of Mati as well as the neighboring town within the province of Davao Oriental. Happy Sambuokan Festival.
We're done. We're done and Curtis called dito kasi go. Sa bahay ni Go. So, public na kami ng Mati for a few minutes to rest and to wrap up this day. Grabe, umuulan pa rin and hopefully going to take the road safe and sound. We're back in Mati City and we're now in the locals. Dito kami mag-dinner guys. Let's go! Yay! Thank you po. Ang gabi eh.
Tawag yung aking barkada yung birthday na ano sila, birthday barkada ko na ano doon.
The world
Ngayon, alis
is
mga
ours. Dinner guys with Tito CJ.
strawberry.
Ito food ko. So, before we go to sleep, kain muna. We're here in Casa Rosa. Dito kami matutulog for tonight. Let's go. Madilim na guys. We're here in our room. Tatlo kami dito ni Kirby. So, dalawa yung bed. Dito kami ni CJ. Dito si Kirby. Then, merong CR sa loob.
Dapat lang.
Yeah. The shower, tub, and everything. It's good to go. Pero before that, I need to do a content muna bago matulog. I need to submit something para productive after this busy day. Oops guys, before I'll end this video pala. Yay, I'm with Tito CJ again. So, tatlo kami. Sabi ko kanina, tatlo kami dito. Si CJ, tsaka si Kirby sa kabilang bed. Actually guys, hindi ko pala na-explain kung bakit kami andito sa Mati City. Bigla na lang naging umabot ako sa Mati City. Actually, pumunta kami dito sa Mati City for an event tomorrow kasi merong photography workshop si Ate Jojie sa lahat ng locals or sa lahat ng mga sasali bukas. It's open to locals at saka mga gustong mag-join ng photography workshop ni Ate Jojie bukas.
Ano yun?
Photography.
Okay.
Na-correctionan pa ako. So, bukas yun guys. It's a whole day event bukas. So, kasama kami. Actually, all this activity. 3 days kami dito. So, yeah. 3 days kami. And we're very thankful and privileged na all
Thank you
this...
sa City Government of Mati.
Yes, kasi lahat ng ginagawa namin dito or lahat ng pinupuntahan at kinakain namin dito is libre lahat kasama itong hotel kung saan kami matutulog for 2 nights. So, hopefully bukas marami kaming energy kasi whole day yung event bukas and more food to come. Yun yung pinaka ano ba yun? Yung stress relief.
Stress relief talaga.
Hindi naman stress kasi masaya yung event.
Actually,
And
tomorrow will help to facilitate the workshop of Ate Jojie, and somehow we are going to help those people who are going to join, especially kung paano ba ang other things to capture or basta something with photography.
yeah.
Para may output sila because there will be an awarding for those who are going to do great on their craft.
Yes, hindi lang siya workshop na workshop. Meron din siyang, para din siyang contest ba? Meron siyang ganun.
Actually, since it's a workshop, so it has some sort of background ng how to do photography plus workshop because may output yun.
Yeah.
Ito yung cover na pumuputi ako.
So, see you tomorrow, guys. Our call time tomorrow will be around 8 a.m. But hopefully, maaga ako magising bukas kasi gusto kong mag-workout kasi merong gym dito sa hotel. So, yeah.
Workout ano yun?
Kasi next week na yung Milo Marathon, so I need to be prepared. Actually, guys, note lang, hindi ako nagko-coke, hindi ako minom ng coke para hindi ako
You have
mahirapan.
to drink Coke. It's
No.
very good. Ooh,
Only
thirst quencher.
Bahala ka dyan. So, tubig lang ako, guys, kung may iniinom kami dito or yung mga lunch or mga breakfast namin. So, water therapy muna ako. Mamaya na yung soft drinks pagkatapos ng marathon kasi baka anong mangyari sa akin sa event, mahirap na. So, yeah. See you tomorrow, guys. I'll be uploading again a vlog at the end of the day tomorrow. So, watch out for it. And thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, kung meron kayong natutunan. Yeah.
Hey, follow me on my Instagram from District 82 and also sa Facebook page 107 Avenue.
Ay, nag-plug na siya, guys. Hindi na siya nag-ask ng permit sa akin, guys.
Thank you, Jorik.
So again, guys, thank you very much for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more adventures to come. Have a great night. Bye. Love you. Mwah.